Fail.
Not a fail.
I don't think Rose fell towards you. It fell towards him.
Oh.
What are you trying to do?
It's one of my sayings,
What do you
randomness
think?
emotion. And it works for everything.
Does it work for everything?
Yes.
What if it's not random?
It doesn't have to be random to be randomness emotion.
Like videotaping me? What are you doing? Stop!
Oh, I'm so racing me outside.
Oh, leave her alone.
Alright, leave her alone.
Wait, one more.
Leave her alone.
One more. It's coming. It's coming.
It's not coming.
She's coming.
Oh!
I was waiting for that one. Yeah, there we go. Say goodbye.
That was an awkward one.